LuxoClothing.shop offers an exceptionally refined fashion experience that effortlessly blends luxury, comfort, and contemporary style, making it a standout destination for anyone who values quality clothing with a premium touch. From the moment you browse their collection, it's clear that the brand is deeply committed to thoughtful design, offering pieces that feel both fashionable and timeless rather than short-lived trends. Each item showcases impressive craftsmanship, from precise stitching and durable construction to carefully selected fabrics that feel soft on the skin, while maintaining their structure even after extended wear. The clothing fits beautifully, reflecting an excellent understanding of modern silhouettes that flatter without sacrificing comfort, making the pieces ideal for daily wear, work settings, casual outings, or elevated occasions. One of the most impressive aspects of LuxoClothing.shop is how effortlessly versatile the designs are. You can pair them with simple basics for a relaxed look or accessorize them for a more polished, upscale appearance without losing their elegance. The material quality truly sets the brand apart, as the fabrics feel breathable, resilient, and luxurious, giving confidence that each purchase is an investment rather than a disposable fashion item. The website itself is clean, user-friendly, and well-organized, making the shopping experience smooth and enjoyable, with detailed product descriptions, helpful sizing information, and clear visuals that accurately represent the items. Ordering is straightforward, checkout is seamless, and communication throughout the process is prompt and professional, which adds an extra layer of trust and reliability to the overall experience. Shipping is timely and efficient, and the packaging arrives well-presented and secure, reinforcing the premium identity of the brand while ensuring the items remain in perfect condition. What truly makes LuxoClothing.shop memorable is the confidence their clothing inspires. Each piece feels intentionally made to elevate personal style while remaining comfortable and practical for real-life wear. The brand strikes a rare balance between sophistication and accessibility, offering luxurious appeal without feeling intimidating or overly exclusive. Overall, LuxoClothing.shop exceeds expectations on every level by delivering stylish, well-made, and versatile clothing paired with a smooth and trustworthy shopping journey, making it a brand that fashion-conscious shoppers can rely on repeatedly for quality, elegance, and long-term satisfaction.